What's good, y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video is actually not gonna be clickbait, you know what I'm saying? This is for real, this is serious, you know what I'm saying? But today, man, it's not going too well. It's been like 3 or 4 or 5 days now that like the G has been down, man. So yeah, man, I'm finna show y'all what's going on and see if somebody out there can help, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm right beside the car right now. But I just want to say, I appreciate each and every one of y'all who, you know what I'm saying, who subscribe to the channel, watch the ads, watch the videos all the way through, because I wouldn't have been able to get this without y'all watching my videos. So I just want to appreciate each and every one of y'all. So yeah, man, before I get into the video, I just want to say I am on the phone because, as y'all know, my audio be messing up in Final Cut Pro. So I'm just had to get a new laptop, but I'm finna flip the phone right now. And I'm finna show y'all what's going on right now. So if you're a G35 owner or if you're a mechanic and you know how to fix this and help me, please let me know. But yeah, so my car is up on jack stands right now. You feel what I'm saying? So took my tire off because I got this one click in my car. I'm gonna let y'all hear. And if you know what this is, and let me know, man, cause this shit is annoying. Like, just listen. I know y'all hear that. Listen. Now, people told me, you know what I'm saying, I got a person that is a G35 owner. He told me that if you hear one click like that, it's coming from the starter. So basically, my starter is bad and it's not engaging all the way, you know what I'm saying? Like, it has no more energy, no more power, nothing. So I bought a brand new starter. It's in the back seat right there, as y'all can see right there. But you know what I'm saying, I'm not finna pay somebody to do something that I can do, you know what I'm saying? So basically, I went and bought some jack stands. You feel me? I went and bought some jack stands, and I took my tire off. I did all that shit myself. You know what I'm saying? With a little help from Coin, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Coin and my partner Nate. So, with that being said, I was like, bro, all you gotta do is take off 3 bolts, bro. 3 bolts is all you gotta take off to get that starter out. Put a new starter in, put them same exact bolts back on, and your car should start up. Now, there is a video on YouTube right now that got the same exact sound that I got, the same click, everything. They changed their starter and they jump started right up. But it's one bolt that I can't get off. It's the top bolt. If you know, then you know. It's a bolt above the bottom bolt, so that jump hard to get off. So when I get that off, I'm gonna update y'all. But this is just a video to show y'all, like, the G is actually down, bro. Like, hopefully there's somebody out there that can help. These rims are ugly as hell, but my plans, and you know, if I don't get the jump started up, like, now, if I change the starter, right, and it don't start up still, like, I pray to God that it do start up, and I know it will start up, you know what I'm saying, just gonna speak it into existence. So when that happen, right, but just so happen, if it don't start up, bro, I'm gonna try to alternate it. Now, my battery is good. I brought a whole brand new battery, bro. My terminal's tight and everything, you know what I'm saying, so it ain't the battery. Nigga over there made me buy a whole new battery for no reason when it wasn't even my battery. So after the starter, I hope and pray the starter works, you know what I'm saying? But if it don't, I'm gonna try to alternate it. Now, another thing is, I got my car straight pipe. When I got my car straight pipe, I got a check engine light. The check engine light code read that I have bad, what is called catalytic converters, and I'm gonna show y'all why it's bad. Because I got, you know, an exhaust leak, you know, and it got like a little hole. Let me see. So that's that right there. So yeah, I got a check engine light from the bad catalytic converters. And, you know, it was like some other codes too, but it wasn't really nothing too serious, you feel me? But, yeah, man, the G is down. I got my tire in the passenger seat. That shit dirty as hell. So, yeah, man, y'all just let me know if y'all know what that click is. After this little footage right here, I'm insert the clip where I got my car straight pipe. So, man, I hope and pray like somebody out there that can help me, you know what I'm saying? And like tell me what's going on or had the same problem or something. But yeah, man, the G is down. No cap, this is not clickbait for real this time. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. The next video probably gonna be the you know, probably gonna be me putting in the starter for real and seeing if it start up or not. So with that being said, B-Boy MarTheCreator, Coach might be the game. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for everything. And with that being said, you know what I'm saying? I just want to get back on the road, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I still work and shit, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be calling no Ubers to work. But I don't work exactly no more. That's a good thing. So yeah, we're gonna see, man. Like I said, if you're a G35 owner or like a mechanic and you had the same exact problem, that one click when it turn over, I'm talking about my radio come on, my lights come on, all that. But and the fuel pump work too, you know what I'm saying? Somebody with a G35 show me that where the fuel pump sound is at, and I have the sound and he said it works. So yeah, man, it's not the fuel pump, so it gotta be the starter, bro. I just need to get that boat off. But I'm gonna update y'all, keep y'all updated, man. I never thought some shit like this would happen. But, you know what I'm saying? If it don't work, or if the alternator don't work, I'm not finna try to keep trying to get the engine to turn over. Shit, I'm gonna try that now. I'm gonna try to get this bitch started. But if I get it started and like shit keep happening, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go for the G37. Okay, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna get this bitch started. I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna buy a G37. So, that being said, yeah, man, that's the end of this video. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for everything. Y'all boys just stay tuned, man. Bear with me, man. I've been low-key unmotivated because my shit down, you know what I'm saying? And I've been driving for a little minute, so that shit just sucks without it, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all, love y'all. B-Boy MarTheCreator, Coach might be the game. I love y'all. And we out. All right, y'all, boy, man. We at the motherfucking... Y'all see where I'm at, bro. Why my shit be like, it's powdery, bro?
It's powdery?
Nah, that shit just turned a different color, bro.
That bitch,
I ain't never watched this bitch since I...
It was just raining.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm at the muffler shop. In my car tour video, I told y'all I'm gonna get it straight pipe, so that's what we doing, man. This shit rusty as hell. Feel me, but it's gonna be loud, man. I'm finna be blowing it, nigga. I think give me like extra 300 horsepower too.
What the fuck did you just say, bro?
What?
Rewind.
I'm finna be blowing you, nigga. Nigga racing, nigga.
I'm finna be blowing this nigga.
That nigga tripping, dog. I need to go ahead and debadge this shit though. My letter's coming off. See that shit? Shit crazy. Yeah, we finna get straight pipe today, man. He finna straight pipe me.
Dog,
My bad. But yeah, I can't wait to see how it sounds. People kept telling me to stop. I mean, not stop. People kept telling me to not straight pipe it, but really one person. I know he probably. I know he watching the video. But he was telling me not to straight pipe, but fuck it, you know, you feel me? Fuck it, bro. I want to do it, so I'm gonna do it. You feel me? I ain't get this shit to try to be like everybody else. Feel me? But I think it's gonna be.
I think it's gonna be. I think this shit finna sound amazing. But
Yeah.
I just can't look at this car and be like, that shit hard, but you got these ugly ass rims.
Man, it's a lot of shit ugly on it, bro.
Nah, bro, you put
It
some
cool
nice
though.
rims, that shit gonna
It
be
look
player.
better.
That shit gonna be player for a minute.
Yeah, you right, you right.
Lights.
I'm finna get some rims next though. No cap. But I just had to get this because the fucking my muffler hanging and shit, so I just need to change that shit. You see that shit? That shit been like that for like a month now. That shit finna be gone though. But, now I should did it before and after.
Damn. You got that video?
Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sound after it get done. But you know what I'm saying? This just how it look right now. The little fat thing finna be going right here. If you know, you know. Like that shit moving. No cap. So we're gonna get back to y'all when he done, man. This shit was $9,000. No cap. Alright, y'all, we all the way down. Y'all see I got one pipe right now. Feel me? The other side gone because I had a white pipe on tripping. So, finna start it up. Oh shit. Here we go. That thing sounds good. Damn. Damn, what the fuck? Okay. 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 Yeah, I told him I got the exhaust leak, so he finna look at that shit. Damn, nigga, we in there, you feel me?
Nigga, tall man, nigga.
Nigga, fuck the Tommy. You don't think so? Alright. That motherfucker probably loud. Hey man, that bit, I hope like, you know, they be doing sound just on the phone, so it really don't sound the way it's supposed to sound in person, but in person, nigga, that bit loud. My shit low too. Fake sad, that bit ain't that low, but look at him in my shit. Man, that bit just straight. Damn, nigga, that shit. Okay, nigga. That shit crazy. Nigga told me to get a toe man, this shit.
I'm happy for your bitch ass. Nigga, who gave you this idea? Come on now. Come on now.
Yes, sir. Let me hand the money. Here you go. Count that up. You gonna do it one time? Let me record from the back. Here we go, y'all. Sound test. Yeah. Fucked up with this one, boy. I appreciate it.
Smiley, you do two letters, right?
Hey man, it be trumpet boys, man.
Bro, that's
Welcome to the trumpet game. That be, ooh my gosh. Where we going now? My house real quick, right? I need to re-upload the video. Hey, yeah. Yo, I know y'all heard it, bro. Hey, that shit hard, man. But I'm finna head to the house to record. I mean, not record, but re-upload this video because I'm trying to drop today. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep vlogging today too, man. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned.